Chiliz cost exceptionally equivalent to $0.0874 a coin in a significant manner. The present range, 8 cents 8 cents. The earlier day close, 8 cents, which is very huge. The change was plus 0.0011, plus 1.27%. Converse rate, USD to CHZ, or so they sort of thought. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at $0.099. Most extreme cost 11 cents. By and large least cost 6 cents. The especially normal for the month 8 cents, which is very huge. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 7 cents. Change for June 27.3%. CHZ to USD expectations for July 2023, which is very critical. First and foremost cost at $0.072 incredibly. Greatest cost 7 cents, extremely least cost 5 cents. The normal for the month 6 cents, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 6 cents, change for July 16.7%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023 amazingly. At the outset cost at $0.060. Most extreme cost 6 cents, truly least cost 4 cents. The sort of normal for the month 5 cents. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for August 16.7%. CHZ to USD expectations for September 2023. Or so they basically thought. To start with cost at $0.050. Greatest cost 5 cents, exceptionally least cost 4 cents. The normal for the month 5 cents in an essentially significant manner. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for September 4.0%, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. At the outset cost at $0.052. Most extreme cost 5 cents. Least cost 4 cents. The exceptionally normal for the month 4 cents. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for October 7.7%. CHZ to USD expectations for November 2023. To start with cost at $0.048. Greatest cost 5 cents. Least cost 4 cents. The very normal for the month 4 cents, which is very critical. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for November 2.1%, which sort of is very huge. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023 amazingly. Before all else cost at $0.047 in a significant manner. Most extreme cost 5 cents. Certainly least cost 4 cents, which is very huge. The normal for the month 5 cents, which is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for December 17.0% incredibly. CHZ to USD expectations for January 2024, or so they thought. In the first place cost at $0.055. Greatest cost 5 cents. Beautiful least cost 4 cents. The very normal for the month 5 cents. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for January 16.4%, which is genuinely huge. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024, or so they thought. Initially cost at $0.046, which really is genuinely critical. Greatest cost 4 cents. Beautiful least cost 3 cents incredibly. The really normal for the month 4 cents, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for February 15.2%, which fundamentally is very huge. CHZ to USD expectations for WAC 2024, which most certainly is very critical. At the outset cost at $0.039 in a really significant manner. Most extreme cost 4 cents, least cost 3 cents, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The normal for the month 3 cents. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 3 cents. Change for spring 5.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.037. Greatest cost 4 cents, in every way that really matters. Least cost 3 cents, or so they thought. The sort of normal for the month 3 cents, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for April 8.1%. CHZ to USD expectations for May 2024. In the first place cost at $0.040 in an especially significant manner. Most extreme cost 4 cents, least cost 4 cents, or so they thought. The normal for the month 4 cents. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 4 cents. Change for May 15.0%, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at $0.046, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Greatest cost 5 cents, essentially least cost 4 cents in an especially significant manner. The sort of normal for the month 5 cents. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 5 cents. Change for June 15.2%, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to CHZ conversion scale equivalent to 11.4416 Chiliz per $1, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Today, S reach 113150, 117911 in every way that really matters, significant way. The past day, S nearby 11.5875. Change for now 0.1459, 1.26%. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 US dollars to CHZ expectations for June 2023. At the outset, cost at 10.10 Chiliz. Most extreme cost 14.93. By and large, least 8.93, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The normal for the month 11.96. The USD to CHZ figure toward the month's end 13.89. Change for June 37.5%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for July 2023. Before all else, cost at 13.89 Chiliz, which is very huge. Most extreme cost 17.86, least 12.99. The normal for the month 15.35, which sort of is genuinely huge. The USD to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 16.67. Change for July 20.0% in an unpretentious way. USD to CHZ expectations for August 2023. Before all else, cost at 16.67 Chiliz. Most extreme cost 21.28, least 16.67. The for the most part normal for the month 18.66. The USD to CHZ figure toward the month's end 20.00. Change for August 20.0%. Dollar to Chiliz figure for September 2023 in a really significant manner. At the outset, cost at 20.00 Chiliz in an unobtrusive manner. Most extreme cost 20.83, certainly least 17.86. The especially normal for the month 19.48, which is genuinely huge. The USD to CHZ figure toward the month's end 19.23, change for September 3.9%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to CHZ expectations for October 2023, initially cost at 19.23 Chiliz. Most extreme cost 22.22, least 19.23. The normal for the month 20.38, or so they truly thought. The USD to CHZ estimate toward the month's end 20.83, change for October 8.3%, or so they in a real sense thought. Dollar to Chiliz figure for November 2023 in a significant manner. Initially cost at 20.83 Chiliz. Most extreme cost 22.73, least 20.00. The normal for the month 21.21. The USD to CHZ gauge toward the month's end 21.28, change for November 2.2%. USD to CHZ expectations for December 2023. Before all else, cost at 21.28 Chiliz. Most extreme cost 20.